Hey guys, welcome back to AK Achievers. We wish you happy Independence Day. Today, you must have remembered our freedom struggle from 1857 to 1947 and 70 years of glorious past. Now, AK Achievers wants to take you to the future. In this video, we'll tell you the top 4 fields where India can actually become a superpower. One Sun, One World, One Grid. A project that unites whole world. India wants to create a system so that different countries can generate electricity through solar power and share it with one another all over the world by the grid system, which can provide electricity 24/7. It seems like impossible, right? But this is India's ambitious project and we Indians are well known for our efficiency. Here, the plan is to create solar grids in different countries all over the world. If sun sets at one part of the earth, then there will be the sunrise at other part of the earth. The countries which generates electricity at one part of the earth in presence of sun will be shared with the other part of the earth. We are one of the largest investors in solar or renewable energy. We have also proved that we can make it. Take the example of Cochin Airport, the world's first solar power airport, and Kolkata Airport, where electricity is produced by solar energy. China is trying to dominate whole world with economical power, but India is connecting whole world together. And also our natural resources can be preserved and pollution can be reduced by this project. 5G technology. Our future is with 5G technology. Mostly 5G network trials are led by Chinese companies like ZTE, Huawei. As we know, total world is against China at the moment due to COVID pandemic, privacy and security concerns. Whole world trying to find alternative to China. At this stage, an Indian company, Jio, announced 5G services which will be available as soon as 5G spectrum is available. And Mukesh Ambani also announced that Jio 5G will be premier for users in 2021 and it will be sourced to the other nations as well. The world's manufacturing hub. Till now, world's manufacturing hub is China. Due to COVID-19, manufacturing companies are moving out of China. India is also a huge market for many corporates. In ease of doing business ranking also, India is been improving day by day. Currently, we are at 63rd place. Only required asset is skilled labor. NEP 2020 has given some hope that next generation would be emerged as most skilled generation in the world. They're gonna start coding internship from 6th standard itself. Reduced syllabus can give free space to their creative brains. Pharmaceutical industry. India can become a pharmacy of the world. In 1969, Indian pharmaceuticals had just 5% shares of the market in India. By 2020, it became 85% share. We have constantly growing in this field. India already contributes 20% by value to the global generic market. India is also the largest producer of the vaccines. The India pharma industry is now at the cusp of developing new molecules for treatment of various medical conditions. At this time, Indian medicines prices are already amongst the lowest in the world. According to us, these are the 4 fields where India actually can grow. If you have noticed any other field that we have missed here, please let us know through the comment section. I hope you would have found this video informative. Do not forget to like, comment and share this video. For more videos, subscribe to AK Achievers and click on the bell icon.